National Park Krushuna waterfalls. There is a big complex of different waterfalls. There are two main roads, red one and blue one. So red one is classic one and blue one is more mountain one, but it's more interesting. So if you prefer to see classic waterfalls, please begin to watch this video from the 6th minute. If you want to pass both routes, I mean blue one also, so see further video. This is the entrance to Krushunsky waterfalls. Parking area is more or less big, so you can easily find free place. Also there are a lot of cafes, restaurants, so there is no problem to drink or to eat. So you need to follow this alley. Before there was very good rest area with pool, but now the pool is empty without water. So when the alley finishes, you will see the map. You must choose two tracks, blue one or red one. Red one is more easy, blue one is longer but more difficult. So I chose blue one to allocate now near WC sign. So blue track begins with such steep slope. Whew. And such stairs. You need to cover around 50 meters and then you will move in horizontal position. So blue track I don't recommend with adults or children, travels with all travelers or travels with children, but you can try. So there is intermediate stop. You can sit and have a breeze. After the sign you turn right and slowly but gradually climb up, but it's much easier here because no stairs. Whew. Sometimes the road is not flat like here. Some stones, or you need to have suitable shoes. Finally we arrived. So something interesting. Yeah. Oh. Very high. So here we can see rocks and go further. The main minus of this park that there is lack of benches, so people try to find some free logs to sit down. Oh, this is the second bench which I saw here. This place is called Mystery's Waterfall or Mystery's Cave, something like this. Yeah, it's really like mysterious. Mystery's Cave or Mystery Waterfall. After such a rest area you can find a cave waterfall, as it's written in Bulgarian language, but as I understood the length almost 2 kilometers. It's difficult to make movie, but I will try. Yeah, you can see. Oh, from this place it's much more easy. Shit, be careful to see. Yeah. Oh. cave waterfall. You also follow along this small river and it takes you to the more or less serious waterfall. Don't move to this direction, it's dangerous. Then you need to go down, follow this green track. Mysterious waterfall, and we need to go back. This is dead end. This is mysterious waterfall. I want to take your attention that mystery waterfall is dead end. No further way, and you need to climb up to this very difficult track. So if you are with children or with old people, be very careful, because the way is really very hot. So on the back way from mystery waterfall you need to climb up again. I want to draw your attention that blue track doesn't connect it with red one. So initially this video I made only after I return back. So initially you need to climb up, then go move, then go down, then return back again. So I just give you advice to begin your trek from blue road, because otherwise if you will begin from red one you will not have enough power to cover blue one. Blue one, there are two waterfalls, mystery waterfall and waterfall cave. Very nice, but this track is very difficult. So if you have small children and adult, please use only red one. Blue one I don't recommend. So there is a fork left. There is beginning of blue route, and right there is beginning of red route. So now we follow red route. Easy in compare with blue one. The first place is the name Senior Vir. We can translate it like blue eye. So generally it looks like blue eye a little bit. Here are some waterfalls of Qatar. There you can see this glass clear crystal clear water, crystal clear water. Yeah. Very interesting. We arrived to the central waterfall of this park, Krushunsky waterfall. So you can evaluate all its beauty. Krushunsky waterfall.